You want to be successful in achieving your goal, whatever that may be for you. Start taking responsibility. Okay. So when it comes to, goal, there are three things I'll quickly talk about. So one of them is how you neurologically, how you think about it, how you process it, where you focus your attention. And then the second thing is like language in your linguistically, how you express it, what you talk about. And then the programs that you're running. It's like there are thousands of programs running in your brain, my brain, every brain. Some of them are supporting us, many of them are not supporting us. So are we doing something to change that? So, but first, still coming back to this question, where are you investing your time? Where are you investing your money? Where are you investing your energies? Now, ask yourself the next question. All of these things where I'm investing, is this something that will help me achieve my goal? Or do I need to change? The answer is in you. You don't have to tell me, you don't have to share it with anyone. Ask yourself.